Have you ever wondered what life would look like if the Earth was actually flat? Would there be an edge you could fall off? If Earth were flat, life as we know it would not survive. But let's break it down. Gravity. On our round Earth, gravity pulls everything toward the center of the sphere, keeping oceans, air, and people balanced. But on a flat disk, gravity wouldn't pull down, it would pull sideways toward the middle. That means the closer you live to the edge, the steeper your world would feel. Water would slide inward, air would drift away, and walking near the end of Earth would feel like climbing a mountain you could never escape. Oceans wouldn't spread evenly across the surface either. Instead, water would flood the center of the disk, creating one massive, dangerous superocean, while the edges became barren wastelands. The atmosphere wouldn't wrap around the planet either. Without the balanced pull of a sphere, air would thin out at the edges, making it impossible to breathe if you lived too far from the middle. Now let's talk about the sun. On a round Earth, day and night happen because the planet spins and different areas face the sun. On a flat Earth, that rotation wouldn't work. Instead, the sun would hover above the disk, always visible to some people and never visible to others. That means half the world could be trapped in endless daylight, while the other half froze in eternal night. Agriculture, sleep cycles, and animal life, all destroyed. And what about space? Our satellites, GPS, and even weather forecasting all rely on Earth being round and orbiting in space. If Earth were flat, orbits wouldn't exist. No internet, no global communication, no space exploration. Even the moon's gravity, which controls tides, wouldn't work properly, leading to unpredictable waves that could swallow entire coastlines. Could humans survive at all? Maybe in the middle of the disk, where gravity, water, and atmosphere are the most stable. But travel outward, and conditions would quickly turn extreme. Imagine entire civilizations stuck in one giant crowded center, fighting for resources, while the rest of the Earth was empty, dry, and deadly. It wouldn't be the paradise flat earthers dream of. It would be a nightmare. So, if Earth were flat, it wouldn't just change how we see the sky. It would erase the very conditions that make life possible. That's why science and reality are on the side of a round Earth. If you love mind-bending questions like this, hit that subscribe button and join us tomorrow for another episode of What If Daily.